guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. This is Crystal the Fit Mom. So it literally is my bedtime, and this is probably, I'm pretty sure, the only time that you guys have seen me without some kind of workout stuff on or tank top or something. But it is my bedtime, so I have on my robe, and this is what I wear all night long. So, but I know in a previous video a while ago, I know I shared that I love to have a hot drink before I go to bed. It's like my little old lady ritual thing that I do. And normally it's my Super Reds, my Live Good Super Reds, but I'm currently out. So I have an alternative, which it's not going to have the same benefits as my Super Reds. It's just an alternative hot drink that has, healthy benefits as well. And these things you can add to your Super Reds if you wanted to. But for right now, I don't have them. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do. I don't like tea. There's something in my eye. Oh, what is that? Okay. Yeah. So I don't like tea. So it's like, that's not an option. You know what I mean? So unless it's like, cold raspberry tea or something like that, but I don't like, hot tea. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys what I do. Look at my cute little mug. My sister got me this. My sister got me this cute mug for Christmas. But anyways, I could use my Keurig to get hot water, but for this, I don't feel like waiting on it. So I'm just going to get some out of the refrigerator and throw it in the microwave for a minute. So the two things that I'm going to put in, that I'm going to add in my hot water is ginger. And sprinkle some ginger in there, probably like half a teaspoon. It's gonna be really gingery. And the same thing with my, let me turn it around, cinnamon. I'm gonna put cinnamon in there and just stir it up and sip on it. And the benefits, hold on, I don't want my water too hot. 1 second. So I want to be able to drink it and not have to wait on it. But that the benefits of cinnamon, of course, cinnamon just is awesome. It tastes good. You can put it in, your pancakes and oatmeal, of course, and all that. Say it's good, to regulate, your blood sugar and things like that. Ginger, it's awesome. Like when my husband makes salmon and he puts some ginger on it, it's like the best thing ever. And ginger is good for, your digestion and things like that. So, and, nausea, like all kinds of things with the ginger, but, it's just good for your digestive system. And you put these two together, make it hot and sip on it. And the thing I like about this is it does not have a disgusting taste. Now, if I didn't care about taste for this little mixture, I would add some turmeric, but I'm not feeling that right now to add in that concoction. Turmeric is awesome for your joints. All right, so I got my cup, got my little mug here. And all I'm gonna do, you could like measure it and stuff, like with a, a spoon, but I can pretty much estimate what a half a teaspoon is going to be just by shaking it, sprinkling it in there, and pretty much get the look of it. Now another thing you can add in here, but I don't need that. You guys can see me. Another thing you can add in here, but I don't need that, is like a little drizzle of honey if you're like, oh, you want it to be sweet and stuff like that. But I don't need all that right now. So stir that up real good. And these two spices are awesome for boosting your metabolism as well. So you can sip on this before bed and basically, you know, get your metabolism boosted while you sleep. So there's so many different foods and spices that you can use. As I was saying, there's so many different foods and spices that you can eat to help boost your metabolism. Because that's really what we need is, you know, foods to help boost your metabolism, to keep your body burning all day, and in this case, all night long. So oh, that's not terrible at all. Let you guys see what that looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Looks like some dirt floating around in there, but it's not. It's good. It's good, guys. But anyways, this is a tip that you guys can drink. You know, a nice little hot concoction that you can drink before you go to bed that can help boost your metabolism while you're sleeping. That's pretty much all I got. I am like literally tired, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film this. I'm gonna show this this little tip here while I'm about to do it, instead of making it and be like, oh, I should have showed that, right? But anyways, guys, that's all I got. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check out the Live Good opportunity, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.